hands down, this is the perfect neighborhood.
There was lots of water and woods, and so this felt like home to us.
You know, it's pretty amazing. The developers, they had a vision, and now it has come to fruition.
We were one of the first folks that were actually in the development. So I knew for a while that this is what I wanted to do, but we were just waiting for the opportunity to present itself. And then once the door was open, we ran through it.
And we saw their plans for this place, and we were like, man, this would be a great place to get a house.
I think the location is perfect too, because it's right off 95. And so like anytime anybody's traveling, they'll stop by, and we've had more visitors here probably than we did when we were back home.
It's only added maybe like 4 to 5 minutes onto any of my commute times from where I lived before. It's definitely worth it to be in a better spot.
The neighborhood's a perfect balance between community and wildlife.
It's Florida, but it's a natural paradise.
Oh, the birds here are amazing.
Oh, yes. We have herons, we have a cormorant, we have ducks. I love the wood storks.
Everything is just really, really nice here. I have a small dog, and we go to the dog park probably 4 to 5 times a week. Probably go to the pool 2 to 3 times a week, and I go to the gym probably 5 or 6 times a week. So we definitely get all our amenities in. So it's really nice. We like it here a lot.
My grandchildren enjoy the playground. We enjoy the patio, enjoy watching football games with friends that we've met here. And yeah, every weekend and many afternoon days, we're in the pool floating around.
We've gone to the pickleball court and chased each other back and forth across.
She's a natural because she wasn't even trying, and she was making me run everywhere to get the ball.
The dog park is amazing. Our dogs have little neighbor friends.
The dog park is huge.
Yeah, it is huge.
The small dog section is still bigger than most that I've been to.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, most people when they're empty nesters, they downsize, but we actually didn't downsize. We got the extra room so that we could have family come down and spend some time with us.
I loved making that turn onto my cul-de-sac. It had a porch, it had, everything more than we could have ever thought we wanted. And, oh, I'm gonna cry. It felt like home, and that was very important to us.
I'm working from home full time, so I wanted a model that had a dedicated office space.
One of the things that drew us to that too is just the fact that everything was included, because I don't know, I'm very indecisive. I liked the fact that it was kind of like you knew what color you were getting, you knew what things you were getting. It was just a done deal, and you didn't have to go in there and try and make all these decisions.
It's a beautiful community. It continues to grow and amenities, and it's just a lot of good people here.
Well, and once the Trails Network is put into the neighborhood, I can do everything I love to do without leaving my neighborhood. How many people can say that?
Just the people, they've had parades and done different things, and you've gotten to know people. I said, I know more neighbors here in the year that I've lived here than the 22 years that we were, in our home. We were sitting out there the other day, and I told myself, I feel like I have to pinch myself. I can't believe that this belongs to us. Like we get to use this, and it's like resorting,
It's been a dream. It really has been a dream.